Hey guys, we are back again, and as promised, or don't know if I promised to, but I said I would, we are doing one of the two Corbin locks that I finally figured out how to SPP. And I know it doesn't look very pretty in there, but because of the shape of the cylinder, it's kind of hard to get in there, so that's why it's in there all funky and on a bad angle. Anyways, I'm going to try and do this pretty quick because hopefully I'm going to do both of these in one video. So just give me a second here. Okay. Standard hook from Spp'd. And there we go. Okay. So let's open that really quick and get our screwdriver, get you a better angle. Now these have the cut on them. So let's try that angle. No, let's try that angle. Yeah, okay. Okay. Put that down. Focus back in here. Pinning tray. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6 is empty. There we have 5 standard pins, all that look incredibly close in length. They're all really tall pins, and the reason for that is that this is a very big core. Because you can see my plug follower flops around in there quite a bit. Anyways, we'll go ahead and take the driver pins out. Whoops. They're all standard, but just to show you they're all in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Come on, you bugger. There you go. Springs. And that's everything. Nothing done to the core. It's just straight shot, standard, no threading, no nothing. So we'll put that down. And there's our pins. Now I'm going to pause this and get the other one up in the vise. So we will be right back. Ta-da! Just kidding. Anyways, yeah, this is number 2. We have number 1 gutted over here with stuff in the pinning tray, the guts in the pinning tray, and number 2. So let's try and get this done. in a timely fashion so you guys aren't bored sitting there watching me pluck away. Okay. Okay, I think we have, there's 5, 4, and 3, 2, I think, and 1. There we go. Okay. Now, better angle here, and again, try not to lock it while I get this off of here because I have no keys. And we're going to go all the way around, same as the last one. Go right there. There we go. It's getting stuck for some reason. Okay. There we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, and 5. Sorry, that's a bad angle. Again, nothing done to the core at all, just standard. And for the driver pins, well, this one at least has a little bit of variation in the key pins. Slight variation. And number 1, number 2. Oh, number 3 went out the back on us. Number 4. Number 5. There we have it. Emptied out. And the springs in this one are a lot weaker. They do not come up. They do not protrude past the shear line there. Anyways, there's our 2 Corbins and our foggy background, and in our shaky pinning tray, there we go. If I can make sense of this for you. Yeah, here's the center line. So the first lock is from here to the left, and the second one that we just did is from here to the right. So you can see the second one had a little bit of variation in the depths of the key pins, but didn't make it all that much more hard to pick. Anyways, I'm glad I finally got these done. Took me a while to get the feel for them, that's for sure. I've had these for quite some time. Well, I got one of them about a month ago, but I've had the other one for a long time. Anyways, just took some time, some practice, and some really delicate attention and watching my feedback. Anyways, guys, if you got Corbin locks at home like this, they're not all that difficult. Just really watch your tension. Don't go too tight, and you really got to feel for that real light feedback. Okay, that's it. I think next all we have left is this warded lock that I got. The Master Lock 22D, as you can see there in the top corner. Number 3. So I'm guessing I just open the package and it'll probably open when you say open if it's a number 3. Haha. Anyways, either that or the Papage lock that I keep telling you guys about and never pick. Okay, anyways, it's enough of me. Guys, always keep it legal. Have fun. Subscribe. And don't forget to comment if you want to see something. Alright, guys. See you next time.